How to make delicious strawberry chocolate cake at home. Hey, cake lovers! Welcome back to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a mouth-watering strawberry chocolate cake. It's the perfect dessert for any occasion, and we'll walk you through the entire process. So, let's start. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the cake. 1 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. 2 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar. 3 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. 4 1½ a teaspoon of baking powder. 5 1½ a teaspoon of baking soda. 6 1 teaspoon of salt. 7 2 large eggs. 8 1 cup of buttermilk. 9 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 10 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 11 1 cup of boiling water. For the strawberry filling: 1 2 cups of fresh strawberries, hulled and diced. 2 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. 3 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 4 1 tablespoon of water. For the chocolate ganache: 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. 2 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Let's get started with the preparation. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. Step 2. Prepare the cake batter in a large mixing bowl. Sift together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Now, add the eggs, buttermilk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together until well combined. Gradually add the boiling water to the batter while continuing to mix. Step 3. Bake the cake. Pour the cake batter evenly into the prepared cake pans. Bake in the preheated oven for 30-35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 4. Prepare the strawberry filling. While the cakes are baking, let's make the strawberry filling. In a saucepan, combine the diced strawberries, sugar, and cornstarch. Add a tablespoon of water to the mixture and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until the strawberries break down and the mixture thickens. Step 5. Make the chocolate ganache. For the chocolate ganache, heat the heavy cream in a microwave-safe bowl until it's steaming but not boiling. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate chips in a separate bowl and let it sit for a minute. Then, stir until smooth. Step 6. Assemble the cake. Once the cakes have cooled, spread the strawberry filling evenly on top of one of the cake layers. Place the second cake layer on top and pour the chocolate ganache over the entire cake, allowing it to drip down the sides. Step 7. Decorate and serve. You can decorate your cake with fresh strawberries or chocolate shavings for that extra touch. And there you have it. A scrumptious strawberry chocolate cake that's sure to impress your family and friends. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy making and indulging in this delightful cake. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Thank you very much.